We are looking at the eufy pet dog camera. So this is a AI tracking and monitoring camera to share treats with your dog and watch it live stream while you are away from home or even while you're upstairs from home. So this has a 170-degree wide angle lens, so you get a whole view of the whole area. And in the app itself, you can basically choose how far you want the treat to suspend if you're choosing to give them a treat at that time. It will also give you a barking alert if your dogs are barking in your house, so you can pop in and see what it is that they are letting you know is going on. It will give you a dog activity vlog. You can screenshot within the app itself. Here's just a little bit on the setup that I'm showing on screen here, and it does give you some tips as to what size of treat to give them and how to kind of introduce your dogs to the camera so they're comfortable with it. It will give you, vlogs we were saying. You can apply up to about 3 different pre-recorded messages as well if you want to just hit that button. But you can also communicate to them through the app as well. So you could talk into your phone. That message would be emit out of the device itself. So here's a little bit about choosing the intensity of how far you want the treat to go. You can see my little dog Teddy just ran off to go grab the treat. My other dog was a little bit unsure at first, but he has grown on it since then now, being more comfortable with the machine itself. Here's just a little look at the treats actually being dispensed. Works great. That was just a softer toss. Definitely recommend it.